Hey guys, this is Sharon here from 24/7 Techie. In this video, I will show you how you can install the iPadOS 14 or the iOS 14 on your devices. The developer preview, that too also free. So you don't have to make a developer account, just follow this method and you will be able to install it. So we have an iPad in front of us. I've already tried this method on my iPhone and it has been successful. So you can see the new widgets. So yeah, this method is successful, so we will do it on the iPad now. So first thing we will have to do is go into the settings, go to general, scroll down and delete any profile if you have any. I already have a profile which I was using, so remove that profile. So now that you have deleted the profile, you will have to go to this link and open this link in Safari, not in Chrome. You will have to download it. So this pop-up will come up, allow, and a profile has been downloaded. If you do it in Chrome, the profile will not be detected. So we will go to settings and over here this shows up, the profile downloaded. So we will install this profile. We will have to accept the terms and conditions. And the profile has been installed. So we will close this, go to general again, software updates. It will fetch for the new software update, and iOS 14 is available. So we will press download. It's a 3.5 gig download, so it will take time. So the update has started to download. It will take a lot of time. It says that it will take 9 minutes, but it will take a lot of time. So sit back and relax. So the download will take a long time. That's why I'm showing you the next process on my iPhone, because I took screenshots while I was installing it. So this is what comes up after the download is finished. So you will have to press on install now. Then it will go to verifying the update, and after it verifies the update, it will install. So the moment it's installed, it will boot up to this screen. And please don't worry if it takes some time to install, because it will take time. It's a major upgrade, and these are the new features, and there are a couple of other features as well that I can show you right now. Like this, the app library is over here, and you can also hide stuff, like if it comes up. Yep, so this is how you can do this, and you can also hide this screen, and that's done. And there's also the new translate app. So I was playing around with this app for English to Chinese, and that works. So yeah guys, so this is the iOS 14 and how to install it. So it is pretty easy. Just follow the link in the description, and also be patient because it takes some time to download it. It took over half an hour for me after the download. So the verifying the update and preparing the device for update takes about half an hour or so. So do be patient. So thank you for watching this video guys. This was a quick video on how to install iOS 14 on your device, and do let me know if you run into any bugs or anything. We can talk about that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and like this video. And I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, see ya.